Something cool that Instagram is pushing right now is Instagram stories, right? On the top of your Instagram feed, you're gonna see a bunch of circles, and those are gonna be different stories of people that you're following. It's kind of cool because you actually get to flip through and see these videos. Now, these videos are a compilation of different photos and videos that could be taken at different seconds throughout the day, different minutes throughout the day. So it's a form of telling a story. So as a realtor, what story could you tell, right? Maybe it's, a day of open houses. You're arriving at the house, you're setting up the balloons, you're setting up the sign, you're walking to the front door, you're turning on the light switches. You could film all that and put that together into a story. And then finally the open house starts, the first door knock happens, and a customer walks in the door. I mean, that'd be a great story to show, and you'd be advertising the property at the same time. These are the kind of things that you want to put on Instagram story, things that really tell the story of who you are as a realtor. And this is a great way to get exposure because people love to watch this stuff, and you get to see who's interacting frame by frame. So you get to see where they drop off, where their interaction stops. It's amazing. I do it all the time. I check out to see, where did my story get boring and everybody just dropped off? You actually get to see that with Instagram stories. So check it out, give it a try. You can add different effects on the images, different effects with the videos. And by the way, Instagram also installed Boomerang into their app now. So you can actually boomerang things. What's a boomerang? Boomerang is taking a video and actually making it repeat, right? I'm repeating like this, I'm drinking, whatever the case may be. But it actually gives you all these great tools to make it more exciting for people. So try Instagram stories, try Instagram Live, try all these different tools. And really, it doesn't hurt. All you're doing is getting more exposure. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Definitely subscribe to our channel. We're here for you to provide value, and we hope you enjoy all this. So please comment below and let us know.